Brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the Coinmarketcap website. So first of all, as you guys can see here, there's cryptocurrencies here, and there's exchanges here, and there's community and products and learn. Basically, we're looking for cryptocurrencies, and we're looking for the recently added ones to see if there are any good coins that we can like invest and make a lot of money. In here, you will find a lot of um, new coins that are new listed, like it says on the right that it's added like 1 day ago, and also the volume is here, and also the fully diluted market cap, which is the market cap, is here. Also, it shows the price and also the 1 hour data and 24-hour data. So let's try and check the cryptocurrencies that are popular. Let's check the ranking. Also, by the way, these are classified by their names. So there's spotlight coins, there's gainers and losers, and also you can find exchanges, community, like feeds like the social media, also the products and more. So let's start with the cryptocurrencies. I want to check on Ethereum. So you can click on Ethereum and it will show you the rank here and also the website of Ethereum, like the finders, community, chat, like Telegram, and more. You can click on Telegram and find people. Um, so you can find the chart here. You can also use a trading view chart, which will automatically show it here, which will be easier for you to read. Also, the price is located here. And now let's check the 7 day data. As you guys can see that you can easily check the data and it will show you the price as on the right and also the volume of 24-hour. It will show you all the data and it's easy to use, guys. They're the latest news, like you can find the latest comments that are made on Ethereum, like you can find news which will easily be helping you. Also, it will show you the Ethereum coin and it's really easy, guys. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for listening. And you guys can change the language here. There's a lot of language options here that are available. Most of you guys know these languages, so you guys can easily see it. Also, you can find the Ethereum gas dominance, 24-hour volume, and also the cryptos, like the currencies. Yeah, and you can log in here and sign up. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.